What's up guys, welcome back to episode 11 of the VB giveaway. If you're new to the channel and you don't know what we're doing, we're pretty much giving away this VB completely free, no strings attached. All you gotta do is watch our previous episodes from 1 to 10, comment all of them, like the video, and of course, sub to our channel. And anyways guys, moving along, episode 11, we're gonna be doing the headers. From the last video, we went ahead and offered you guys two options, which is our brand new unequal length and our equal length twin scroll. By the way, this is our version 2 of the unequal length. The piping is slightly angled, so you literally pretty much get the EJ sound. So it's not like pretty much an STI. On our BB, we have a catted down pipe paired with pretty much have our F1 system with the intermediate pipe on the yellow VB rim. So still stock cats, stock headers. Let me show you guys the difference right here. You have the equal length, a little bit bigger piping, probably more lower torque and more power. And then if you have this, you lose slightly torque on the last version, but even with this one, if you tune it, you'll get maximum gains. And also you can run it without a tune, and you'll be good to go. So for those wondering. So today, Jerry's gonna show you how to put this on, pretty much drop everything from the bottom, which we have nothing on the bottom, except for one tray, under tray. And then we'll mount this bad boy on, and then we'll give you some sound clips. So I'm very excited, stay tuned, and let's get started. By the way, there was a bird in here the other day and it just took a shit on my car. I mean, it's yellow, so it is very eye-catching. Anyways, so while Jerry does this, I'm gonna put on our spats, which I'll show you right now. All right guys, in the last video, we didn't put on the spat. By the way, when we just released this last week, so many of you guys bought the side skirt and we're almost out of stock, so that's crazy. So let me show you guys the spats to pair it off. So these are our V1 spats. We have two version spats if you don't know. We have the aluminum ones, which we make in-house. They're all CNC, super strong, not gonna break compared to plastic, but our ABS plastic is pretty much really strong too. So if you try a front lip GTS, you will not break it whatsoever. But let me just show you guys this, because I can't reach right now, but like, damn. Oh, see, now it matches the whole front to the back. I don't even think I have enough room. Probably not. So when Jerry's done, I'll pull it down, we'll put the car down, and then I'll work on this. So these are also available on the website. Enjoy Jerry taking this off, and we'll link back up when Jerry's done. All right guys, if you don't know, that's Jerry's car. It has a really fast M4, 700 horsepower, something like that. But look, check out his headlights, guys. This is so BMW quality. Look, check out the right one and then check out the left one. This is a new mod called Liquid Cool, because their LED gets so hot, you know, they don't burn out, so they throw water inside and it cools it down. Yeah, light fluid, plus 20 horsepower. See, if you have a Mercedes, look, no issues at all. Just kidding, my car's broken too. I'm actually selling this, guys, from the last video we talking about it. I'm getting a new car. I'll trade this in for a new car. Stay tuned, guys. Next week, guys, a little bit less than 2 weeks. The dealer actually called me yesterday. I'm excited. But anyway, shout out Jerry's friends. M42, this is sick. This is actually pretty clean. Like, the only thing I would do to this car is make it sand black. But that, it looks really good.
There is a guard here that needs to be removed. It's all sorts of different bolts. Before we get to the headers, there is provided gaskets, and now there's hardware as well. So if these studs that you take out end up getting seized, then you could always just replace the studs, which is great. It is optional if your studs do come out like fine and stuff like that. You want to reuse the OEM studs, you could do that as well. So I'm gonna get started by removing this plate first. It's so bent. That one came off super easily, and then there's two more. So these are 14 mil. It's a little bit hot right now. I don't want to touch that. So all the nuts came off super easily. Sorry, E10 sockets. So these studs also have to be removed, and I'm gonna just spray it with WD-40 again. Next, break these loose. So the second stud is out, and then we're on to the last stud. Usually the top middle stud is the one that gets stuck first, but it feels like all the studs are coming out pretty easily. Okay. And then for these ones, there's 3 14 mil nuts that are also holding it. Usually for these ones, there's no issue, so you could just unscrew it right away without having it seized. So I'm just gonna blast these off right now. Okay. Oh, close the gasket.
All right guys, we just put on the headers Took about 2 minutes, super easy. We did have some trouble with one nut here, but we got it down. And then nothing seized, so everything was good to go. You put back the new gaskets, and then we put that front one. As you can see, look, the twin screw locks in perfectly. Look at this fitment, 100% guys. So this is tested. So no headaches. The only headache you'll potentially get is removing the stock stud. So we're pretty much done. We're gonna put the new gasket. Oh yeah, let me show you the old gasket. So prior, maybe like 3 videos back, you hear this ticking sound when we put the exhaust on. It's because it was leaking through. Yeah, exhaust from the header. So we were never known to take this off. Huge exhaust. But we got the new gaskets on. We're gonna seal everything. It's gonna sound beautiful. So. All right guys, we're done installing, but before we put everything back, it's always critical to check if there's any leaks because we had a big ass leak from before, so. No leak. I don't know if you heard it through the camera, but that sounded pretty good. So we'll wait until the car gets lowered, and then we'll give you guys some final sound clip. This is, I guess, like a partial cold start from the back. Valves open. It sounds so good. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna let the car warm up a little bit before I give you some rest. Like I said, these are our new revised unequal headers, so they sound more like an EJ compared to our old version, and also twin scroll. So still stock tune. So I'm excited. Our car is pretty much slightly warmed up. Let's hear it. Yes. See, it sounds different than ours, right? I feel like ours, because ours is custom one-off, but damn, it sounds good. Valves off. Still hear that rumble? Hell yeah, that sounds good. Hey, what do you think, Jerry? Thumbs up, damn. Okay, all right, guys, we'll let the car warm up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the spats back on, and then we'll go get some B-rolls for you guys and sound clipping outside, because it sounds crazy. Now that we're done with the headers, we're gonna move on. We're almost done with the build, guys. Almost done. We're gonna move on to the next favorite part of the mods, which is the intake. So comment below which intake you guys want to put on the BB. I kind of prepped one already, but depending on majority, I might switch it out. We have the AEM, we have the parent intake, the, what's one on our BB? My brain is farting right now. ETS intake. Yeah, so we can choose between those two guys. I mean, I don't think it really matters, but the next mod is the intake. So comment in the comment section below which intake to go for. And obviously to run the intake, we're gonna pair it up with a cob access port. And then we gotta tune it too. So we'll tune that another day. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to share this video. And if you want a pair of headers for your VB, check the link below. Limited in stock. Yeah, guys, the car's almost done. And by the way, this is a famous YouTuber's car, guys. This is a Chris Borges. His VB's here. We actually did a last minute swaparoo last week. So Chris's car is here. We're gonna do some mods on his car as well. So stay tuned for that video. So, all right, guys, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.